Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to open a Bread savings account. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and ask ourselves a question. Why would you want to open a savings account with Bread? Well, for starters, Bread offers some of the highest interest rates on the market. This means that your money will grow faster than it would in a traditional bank account. Plus, Bread has no monthly fees, so you won't have to worry about any hidden costs. So, if you're looking for a way to save money and earn some interest, Bread is a great option. But how do you actually go about opening an account? Here's a step-by-step guide. Go to the Bread website and click on the Open an Account button. Enter your personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Choose the type of account you want to open. Make an initial deposit of at least $100. Once your account is approved, you can start saving money. That's all there is to it. Opening a Bread savings account is easy and hassle-free. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of having a Bread savings account. High interest rates. As I mentioned earlier, Bread offers some of the highest interest rates on the market. This means that your money will grow faster than it would in a traditional bank account. No monthly fees. There are no monthly fees associated with a Bread savings account. This means that you can save more money over time. FDIC insurance. Bread is a member of the FDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your money is safe. Easy to use. The Bread website is easy to navigate, and you can manage your account online or on the Bread app. Overall, I highly recommend opening a Bread savings account if you're looking for a way to save money and earn interest. Bread offers a great value proposition, and I think you'll be happy with your decision. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and open a Bread savings account today. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.